Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Christine. It is so cold in here while I'm chilling with my penguins, and that's what the theme is for this week's Curbside Craft, penguins. Fun fact, did you know penguins are birds and they're the only birds that don't fly? In fact, their wings are considered their flippers. They are awesome swimmers. I'm going to read you a book about a little penguin who has a dream. I can't wait to share it with you. And then after I read the book, I'm going to go over the 3 crafts that are going to go home with you in your bag. Okay, I'll see you soon. Little Penguin Stays Awake by Tadgh Bentley. Oh, hello. I don't suppose you've seen any shooting stars this evening. I have a very important wish, and I need a shooting star to make it come true. You see, we penguins are very good at swimming and waddling and eating chili, but there's one thing we can't do: fly. I've always dreamed of spreading my flippers and flying with my friends. If I wish on a shooting star, my dream has to come true. There's just one problem. Penguins have very early bedtimes, and shooting stars don't come out until late at night. I've never stayed up this late before, and I'm not sure I can do it. Kenneth and Franklin have tried all sorts of things to keep me awake, but nothing has worked. So now, maybe you can help. If you see me fall asleep, shout, "Wake up, little penguin!" Now, you can't go to sleep without closing your eyes, so I've decided I'm not going to close mine. Not even to blink or anything. Ready? Open your eyes wide. Wider. Wider. Don't blink. Wake up, little penguin! Maybe a little exercise will do the trick. Let's try some stretches. Stretch your flippers up high. Stretch them to the side. Stretch far. Down low. Wake up, little penguin! The shooting stars are still nowhere in sight, and I don't think I can stay awake much longer. What should we try next? Maybe jumping jacks will wake me up. 1 jumping jack, 2 jumping jacks, 3 jumping jacks. Wake up, little penguin! Kenneth, Franklin, the stars, they're here. I made it. Oh, thank you ever so much. Now I can finally make my wish. Welcome back to Craft Time with Miss Christine. I am now going to go over the 3 crafts that are going to come home in your Curbside Craft bag. The first craft you'll get in your Curbside bag is a necklace. You will see a necklace string, beads, and bells. That will help you create your necklace. The next craft in your bag is a foam-shaped penguin with some stickers to dress up your penguin, and also a string so you'll be able to hang your penguin anywhere you want. The last craft you'll see in your bag is a paper doorknob hanger with some wintry scene stickers. You can place those stickers all over your door hanger and then find a doorknob to hang it.